In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore Trello card. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Trello account, what we're going to do first is we're going to navigate on the workspace where the card is located. So we simply scroll down in here and we go to your workspaces. So in this section, this will then provide you the complete list of workspaces that you have created inside your Trello account. Now, let's say for this video, we're going to use Trello Workspace for demonstration. And in here, as you can see, we have the boards that are inside this specific Trello Workspace. We simply navigate on the subjected board. We're going to use Task to Do. And when you click here, this will then direct you to the complete list of cards, list, and other categories in here. Now, since we are talking about restoring cards that are archived, let's go first on archiving specific cards. So we simply select on the card that we would like to archive. We click it. Then after clicking, this will then open various information and details about the card. We navigate on the more options represented by 3 dots on the upper right corner of the screen. And once you click this, you can see the options archive. And after successfully archived, to visit the archive place, we simply navigate on the upper right corner of the screen again. We go to more actions in here, and this will provide the options as well. We simply go to archived items, and in archived items, you can see here the list of cards that are archived in your board. So we simply select the card we would like to restore, then we click the restore option. After that, we have now successfully restored cards in your Trello board in the same list in here. And that's about it. That's how to restore Trello card. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.